So good morning. My name is Mohan Rashmutia Analilaki M. Armugam with the metric number S2000047-2. Today I will be presenting about metrological traceability under the course of quality assurance in analytical laboratory. So my first slide will be on the definition of metrological traceability. It is the property of the result of a measurement or the value of a standard whereby it can be related or stated references, usually national or international standards, through an unbroken chain of comparisons, all having stated uncertainties. This statement was cited in the Journal of International Vocabulary of Basic and General Terms in Metrology. Here I've attached the flow of the traceability chain, also known as calibration hierarchy. So the calibration hierarchy is a sequence of calibrations from the reference to the final system. Basically, the top institution in the calibration hierarchy is the National Metrology Institute. The second level may be the accredited laboratory, and the third level may be the user calibration. So metrology is a framework to ensure measurement results are comparable and also sufficiently accurate. Next, I will be talking about the measurement unit. A unit is simply an aggregate standard for reference. So early units based on human dimensions such as palm foot and also forearm measurements. To make units more consistent and widely accessible worldwide, the International System of Units (SI units) adopted by the General Conference on Weights and Measures (CGPM). It separates quantities and units. A quantity means a measurable property, and a unit chosen by convention as reference to which measurements of a property refer. So the examples of the standard units are kilogram, meter, second, ampere, and also Kelvin. Next, I'll be talking about the calibration. Calibration is a fundamental unit to establish traceability, and it applies to parts of a measurement process. It requires suitable measurement standard and also reference material. So the examples of measuring instruments that we will be calibrating before beginning an experiment will be the analytical balance, pipettes, and also thermometers. So metrological comparability means results are traceable to the same reference. Here I've attached two diagrams in which it portrays the usage and importance of the reference standard in reducing measurement uncertainty. Next, I'll be talking about the International Metrology Organization and infrastructure. I've attached a few diagrams of the measurement laboratories and calibration laboratories. Next will be the Standards Development Organization, which will be responsible for standardization. It is the activity of establishing, with regard to actual or potential problems, provisions for common and repeated use, aimed at the achievement of the optimum degree of order in a given context. So the summary of the presentation today will be: metrology is the science of measurement, and its application is essential for ensuring meaningful measurements. It is comparable across borders and over time, and the results are sufficiently accurate. It relies on the traceability to primary international standards. This will be the reference for my presentation. Thank you.